Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new fish Offshore Herald in Fish It. First, just go to the crystal tab like this. This fish only spawns here, so make sure you are fishing on this area. And then next, just prepare your gear. And because Offshore Herald is an epic level fish like this, so I recommend using mid to high level gear at least uh At least you can use hazmat or above to increase your chances. And for the bait, you can use carb bait or singularity bait. And after that, just start fishing over here and just be patient until you catch the fish. And when you get it, you will notice its appearance like this. Like this. It's a seahorse with a reddish orange color like this. I think the designs it's cool. It looks so cool like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.